Yeah, he says, oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you. Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, you think I'm ugly? Like, or whatever. You think my hair looks stupid? But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know. What was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face. I see your head shape. And that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI to generate some hairstyles. And I'm gonna just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm gonna send it to him. I'm gonna be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria and they put in a little glass and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress Town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just like dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your system at all, don't get a Mac. If you want to can overclock and go beyond the capabilities of a normal computer, don't get a Mac. It's it is what it is. It's as is, you know what I mean? It's just, all the companies I've worked for, they just provide a MacBook Pro when you start working for them, so you kind of get used to it. When I was doing my freelance days and when I had to provide my own machines, I always had a PC laptop, or I never wanted to shell out for the money. Now it's very important. It allows me to trimulcast, 3 different places at the same time. Linux, I've never used Linux, honestly. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like it. Especially with, it's come a long way. I've never learned or done anything that I wasn't getting paid for. There's only so much time in the world, so much time in your life. I'll be honest, I was working for my first real job where I was post-production coordinator. I was doing hello. Photo retouching. And I was driving.
This is I,
Orbem
of the Order.
And I got a motorcycle. And even that wasn't
welcome,
great.
welcome.
I'd get there quicker and
to
stuff,
a Tuesday.
The work was just so...
Not this Tuesday, but a Tuesday. How's it going? Off to bed. Congrats. Getting first, I think. Very cool. Stoked on that. 2 days in a row, I know, man. And Indy's just sitting there crying. Crying in the background. What is up? Well, we had our trademark meeting with the attorney today. And by we, I mean I did. It went well. As you can see on the website, I had to add the actual name Orbem Order with the trademark symbol. So technically we are in a pending trademark for Orbem Order. I also had to add Orbem Order Shop. Because apparently I didn't add the company name anywhere on the website. The most I had was the Orbem Order, the band name. So I had to change that to music because that was the only place that said Orbem Order. I know the website is orbemortar.com, but like it didn't say the name anywhere, so they couldn't screenshot and say it's being used. At least used on the website. So that being said, we're getting the ball rolling. They're going to go through a searching process next. And that should be interesting. The only problem that they see is the other Orbem, the German company, which apparently they're very litigious. So they might have an issue with me having kind of like a general e-commerce based trademark for selling with Orbem in my name. And if they do, then they could fight back and stop it and that kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, I know that Orbem Order is in a completely different genre than their AI tool that tells you if an egg is a female or a male. So I'll never be selling farm equipment or anything related to AI eggs or even AI stuff in general. I'm not selling. So even if they had an issue with AI in general, but so I think we're okay. I think we'll get through it, and I'll get the trademark, and then I can add the registered symbol, the R, instead of the TM. Apparently that's the difference. Play my game. Good luck. You're just doing what I'm doing. I'm walking around like a fool. Nothing to do. I should add the WebSocket so that we could see each other while we play. But yeah, man, we're just gonna keep chugging on this, filling out these offices with stuff like I did for my office, which is horrible. Also, I'm thinking I might need to finish my character. I still haven't added an up. I'm not gonna do that in the stream. That's very boring and takes a long time, so I'll probably just finish that off stream. But we can fill out the botanist's office. I did say that I wanted to make her office just covered in plants. But I think we can add a desk over here first. And then just put a bunch of plant items because I wanted to break them. That being said, I think we should program the alternative image logic for breakable. And I think I want there to be two different options. Disappear. So after it goes to alt, does it fade away? Like if I had a box in front of a door and I wanted to get through it, should I make it breakable and then it goes away? Or does it just break and stay there? So let us go to thine normal game. I mean our local. And see if we can add some shit. I'll add one just randomly in here. Sir, let's go here. So I think we'll need a new meta option, new custom field, and it'll be for items. So I don't think we even have items in here yet. No, we don't. What is this for? Oh, it's just like default. So let's add a explore item. Wait, I think, is it an explore point? What do I call it? I haven't done this. I haven't touched items in a long time. Explore point. That is different. Post type explore point. Let's add that. Explore point, and in the explore point we would like to add a new thing. This is going to be all how about, I was saying alt image, but maybe interacted image. Interacted with explore interacted. We'll just say interacted. That's good. And the field is going to be, I want it to be an image field because I need to start adding those. So how have I been doing that? I did it for the images, character images. So let's go there. Images, here we go. So let's steal some of this junk. And I only want to add this for interacted. Though, I mean with point. I do want to do this for collectibles as well, maybe. Because you know, like when you are in like an Assassin's Creed game or any sort of walk around loot game, you like interact, you collect from a box and it opens up and it's kind of disheveled after you touch it. Might be something to make the game a little bit cooler. We could do that as well. Oh, good, we already have point right here. So let's just add it right here. Dum 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 ba dum. And in this case, we don't need this. And we do not need this. And we got an image field now. We will call this interacted with image. And we don't need this. So what we do need is select image, remove image. We also need a way to make this globally acceptable. I gotta figure out how to do that. I want to be able to add image upload fields everywhere. And I don't want to have to like define it in JavaScript every time. So we'll do, first off, this is going to be explore interacted, right? Yeah. Same here, explore interacted. And value, same thing, interacted. And something. Wait, value. False is not empty. Oh, this is like a whole thing. So if this is a set, yeah, I don't even think I need all of this. We'll just do that. We can actually do false equals empty. Kind of does two things. It does is set at the same time as checking if it's an empty value. I'll do interacted. Values. Okay, cool. Perfect. Now, in order to make this global, I need to add image. Oh, shit. I need to add like a class that I can target all of them. And then so we're going to do image upload field. How about explore upload field? Yes, yes. Perfect. And in this class, we'll do explore upload image button, explore remove, which these are going to be inside of the image field. The explore image field. I don't know if it needs actually image field as well. I'm going to leave that. Because there's like built-in styling for this stuff. Okay. I don't care about the direction. Huh. Why would I need data direction? Oh, is that so you can like know which one you're removing maybe? So I might need to add like a key just for this. I didn't want to do that. Let's see if we can get away with just like targeting based off its parent. Okay. Text domain is Miropelia. Just in case I want to do localization in the future, which maybe. Okay. Good. This is good. Although I believe I obviously am screwing something up. What do I have? My shit's all in order. Yeah. Should be good. Obviously there's some HTML issues I'm missing. Though I didn't just start it, so. Okay. Wait, what did I do wrong? Hold on. Let me see if I remove this, if it works. What did I do wrong? How did I break? Oh, it looks like I got rid of an endif by accident. Oh wait, no I didn't. Oh, maybe I did. Whoops. Oh, now it works. Control Z, baby. Okay, let's go into the JavaScript now, which would be in the image upload JavaScript. And now we need to add the logic for the thingy doodad. So I'm looking for all the upload images. Okay. So maybe I didn't need to add my own upload image. Wait, is that upload image button? It is. So maybe I can leave this alone. Probably this as well. So these are all being targeted. And then we have the thing. Oh, that's right. That's how this was differentiating. So I don't need that for mine. So I'm going to try to get away with not doing that. But we'll do an image uploader. I do not need to do that. And then on select, blop, 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 blop. I have my attachment. I have the image URL. So we can, sure. See, this one's using direction though. So I want to get rid of these. And then, okay, so this one's specifically for the character image. So I need a general one as one. So, else we'll do, let image, because I added one for the video and shit, the product video thing, and I didn't really future-proof it. So image point equals so get element by ID. In this case, I need to grab the ID based off of the button that we clicked. So if you click this button, I want you to get the parent, which is explore image field. Okay. So let's do that. So let's do const image upload parent equals, it equals e dot target dot closest explore image field. So that'll be the parent. And then if that exists, and then if that exists, I don't think I want to limit it by image type. I don't care about that. We have the parent. Now let's get the image point. So actually, we're just uploading that. So this is going to be image upload parent, query selector, and we're looking for the, what are we looking for? We're looking for, I think, the text input, right? So we're looking for this upload field, I think. Yeah. Like the direct upload field. Okay. So now that we have that, if image upload point, fuck off with that shit. I should call this media instead of image because you could do something other than an image, but whatever. Then we'll do same shit. We can actually do this. Image upload point. Yeah, we'll just do this. If image upload point. There we go. Set the value. That should work. And then I need to do the same thing for remove because this is all specialized. So let's do the same shit. We need to do this. Okay. And then this can be here instead. We don't care about you. Ew. Let's do this. Character value. And then we can do if character value. Whoops. Then do this. Character value equals bleh. Alright, that's only for that. Otherwise, let's go ahead and do the same theme for the upload field. And oh, I guess we can do the same thing. Yeah, we'll just do this. Character value. We'll make this a let. We'll just change the value. Oh shit. If blah. Top. Else. Character. Nope. Image upload. Character value. Okay. There we go. Alright, cool. So now remove should work as well. This is all blind programming, and it's going to work first try. You know why? Because I said it would. Hey. Anybody interested in flex keys? Check out the new flex keys sweater in a nice stone blue. Really comfortable, super warm. And yeah, flex keys, very good. Yeah, and if actually this video is sponsored by Flex Keys by Orbem Order. So don't forget that not only can you play an awesome video game that's not done yet, but you can also get some really cool shit and go to the shop. Oh, look. That's what I'm wearing right now. And here's your flex keys right here. Oh, these are awesome. Get them in any color you want. Like a sweet gray and red one. That's exciting. And look, you can play with them like this. Alright, what was I doing? Okay, this should work. Let's jump in here now. And we need to make a new breakable shit. Let's do plant. Could you buy the STL? Not yet. I'll be offering all my STLs eventually on the website. That way you could just make your own in whatever material you want. Okay. So, do we have a new thing? We do. Interacted with image. Great. So, not only... Let's actually get a couple different plant images. And we might as well just get the ones we're going to use. So, let's grab some. Indoor potted plant, floor plant with no background image, no background. Let's see what we get. And then maybe I'll just do it myself. I'll make it look like it got broke or whatever. Whatever the alt image is, I can make it look like that. Okay. Pretty good. I think this angle makes more sense. I just don't really like the plant. Let's see if we can get some strong variations of this one. I mean, right now we're just kind of testing that it has an alternate image, but... And then we need to get the We need to get the coordinates as well. So I'm going to put it just like, I don't know, up here. Which will be like 2075, 2420. This is going to go in Thyris? No, Foresight. And this is going to be 2070, I think I said. 2474. I don't know. Good enough. Height. We'll just make it a... Oh, I always start with 100 by 100. Let's do 100 by 100. We'll just make it a square. Whatever. Booblish. Alright, we got anything better? This one looks a little more tilted. Alright, let's try this one out. This should work. It's a little shittier though, but I think it's okay. Doop, 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 doop. So we have the feature image. Let's make sure it's in the right position. Okay, that's pretty good. It's actually a good size too for a potted plant. I don't know about you. Though it doesn't look like it has a white background. Let's actually get rid of the background. That's a little annoying. Okay, well we didn't need to get rid of all that. I don't know why it does it sometimes. Whoops. Whoops. Yeah, that'll work. Save. Cool. Let's re-upload that. Come on, buddy. There we go. Let's see what it looks like now. A little cleaner. Yeah, there you go. No more background. Good, it's an item. I can't touch it. It's just sitting there. And now we need to make it breakable. But if it's breakable, I need another option. We said we need it to be we need to know if it's going to disappear or stay there. So let's add another value here. It's going to be explore disappear. That's not how you spell disappear. Thank you. And we'll put that right underneath the image uploader. We'll do should disappear. Yes or no? That's pretty clear, eh? And then we'll do input type radio. Yeah. No? Wait, did I already... Radio doesn't work, does it? No, it works. Okay. I'm chill. I mean, I'm tripping. We'll just steal this, though, since I already have yes or no. And this is disappear. Disappear. Eventually, I'd love to get rid of all of these hard-coded ones, and I could just loop through my array and just create all of these. I'd have to add a bunch of types and stuff too, like text or number or image upload, you know. But, I mean, that wouldn't be that hard to do. TBH. Values, explore, disappear. Oh, I guess I need to check if it exists. Alright. This plugin is only for people using at least PHP 8. Okay. Wait, did I say that's the name? Okay, yeah, I did. Cool. So let's now make sure we state that we want it to not disappear. Should disappear? No. And then let's make the plant. Where did I put that plant? I just closed it like a weirdo. Okay. Why not? Why can't I open you? The fuck you think you are? Okay, we need to break this now. So let's break it within the same square. So I think what we could do is actually take pieces of it, right? And like actually break them. I guess I could have made it more jagged, huh? We could do like deek, 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 deek. Make it a little bit more broken. Just take a piece off it. Oops. There you go. Hey, BD Turtle. Yeah, check out my plant. You can see right here. Ooh, plant. I'm creating alt states for collectibles. Or not collectible. Well, either way, collectible or breakables. So that when you interact with it, the image changes. In this case, I want to break the plant. So I'm just adding like a quickie alt state for it. I don't need you to have low opacity. I need you to be dirt. Let me paint you. Oops. Let me paint you. Let me paint your picture. In a creepy way. Yeah, okay. Definitely. We're seeing it. This is real. This is happening. Okay. And let's actually break the tree too. Probably like snap that shit, but let's see here. We'll do pop, 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 pop. Cool. Motherfucker. Okay. And then we'll do one of these. Yeah, something like that. We'll just try to keep it in the same 100 by 100 square. So it's not too hard. Just can't. It's got to be a little bit realistic and lower. Yeah, okay. And then let's maybe just like tear a few of these fucking leaves up a bit. I'm a professional plant killer, so don't worry about it. If you're wondering why this looks so amazing. Yes, yes. Ragged. Why am I spending so much time on weird details like this? I don't know. It probably matters, though. Okay. Very cool. And then let's just center this whole thing. Oops. Center it a little bit. Alright. I mean, we could even kind of tilt the whole thing on its side a little, you know. That's pretty thrashed. Compared to when it started. Ooh, that looks good. And then crunch. You're fucked up, plant. Okay. That'll work. Oh shit. Plant. Interacted. You have been interacted with. And then let's upload it to our interacted with field. Like a motherfucking boss. Alright, and now let's save and see if the meta boxes actually work. Custom fields, custom fields. I like registering my own custom fields. Yes! First try. Let's go. Oh, I didn't last long enough, sorry. Woo! It's a freebie for you guys. Okay. Now, we know the alt image. Now we just have to use it. Because this is now... Oh, did I say it's a breakable yet? I don't think I did. No, I did not. Let's make it a breakable. And then disappear, no. No. I do not want you to disappear. Just make sure that's saved, just because I break things all the time. Okay, good. Now, if I just interacted with this, it would disappear. Because I don't have any logic stopping it. But what we need to do is go here. Go to the explore points. I did not need to do that, actually. I'm being stupid. I need to go here. Here we go. So now let's just grab another post meta value. What do we have here? Path trigger, get post meta. Let's just do this. Alright. It's called explore disappear. Yeah, okay. And let's make sure we use that down here. So for just generic items, not characters, not enemies. Oh, here we go. We can do it near breakable. So, breakable, true. And then will disappear. Oof. True equals disappear. Is that what I did? I guess I didn't. Wait, where's breakable? Okay, that's interaction type. So I need to do a similar thing for disappear, just to verify. False equals empty. Disappear. And true equals disappear. Otherwise false. Oh, yeah. I guess you're right. This would equal true. Otherwise, if it's false, it doesn't. Bing, bop, boom, bam. Alright, so true equals that. We'll do some HTML. Data disappear true. Cool. And we also need the alt. So in the same breath, we'll do interacted with image. If false equals empty. interacted with Vaughn. We'll add another data point. Just covered in data points, man. No other choice. And this will be a C URL. Always escape your variables. Cool. Perfect. Let's go grab that though. Interacted with. It's just going to be another piece of post meta. Oops. Thank God this code's so easy to read, right? Interacted with equals interacted? Is that what I said? I did. Good for me. Cool. Alright, let's see if this works. All we have to do is see the plant with 2 new data points. And we have interacted with. Perfect. And we have breakable. And... uh-oh. I don't see disappear. It disappeared. Okay, we gotta check something with the logic for disappear. So disappear I did if false equals empty and true equals no. So that should be either false or true. And I did... oh, I said only if it's true. So for some reason it's coming back false. And I do not know why. Should equal true. Oh, not true. I'm an idiot. It's yes. 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 Okay, now I should have made it yas. So everybody understands what I'm saying. Data image. What the fuck is that? I still don't see data disappear, even though that definitely should work now. Interacted with, breakable image, no, yeah, still no data disappear. Alright, hold on. Oh. I remember now. No is what we want. We don't want yes. If it's yes, then don't do anything. If it's no, don't do anything. Maybe I want to default it to disappear. That's why no will change shit. So let's do that. Yes, data disappear, true. Wrong. And no. I want data disappear to be false. So that means I need this to be false, not true. If it equals false, false. No, I want this to equal true. Hold on. I want this to equal true. I want the value to equal false. Okay. We got this. We're not dumb. Speak for yourself. Alright. Disappear. Don't disappear. There we go. That's the logic. Okay. Now let's do something with it. So, breakable. And this is for breakable or for collectible. But... and I do have logic that like makes things disappear if you reload the page though, so I might have to change that as well. Flex keys, flex keys. Let's see here. Where's my breakables? Here we go. So that's fine. This is just persisting that it got broken into. Here you go. Remove. So I need to add another piece of logic. And the thing is, this is actually perfect. Because interacted with is where I can add the whole alt image swap. So, that being said, we can do... I have to be careful with this. Because I don't want just to put disappear... false does not equal disappear. It needs to be like if it doesn't exist and does false. Or if it does exist, is false, you know, the value. So I can do and what is it? I can do the same thing here. As minigame, I already did that logic. So this is disappear. Disappear. So if this or that, so this has to be in like a double thing. So this or that, and or no, this is hard. So if the data set, if it doesn't exist, then it's true. I don't need to add a double thing here. Okay, so that's one scenario. So either, so those, you know, those are, they don't exist. Then go ahead, remove it. Or false does not equal value dot data set dot disappear. This is a new thing I learned, by the way. This, if you add a question mark when you're trying to access a object value of a variable, if it doesn't exist, it'll throw an error and stop all the code. But if you add this question mark, then it will not throw an error. It'll just be equal undefined. I know it's a super old thing and everybody's known this, but this is something that I learned recently. So technically, like, you know, all these undefined checks and stuff like that. I should probably be doing this for everything, but whatever. Okay. So false does not equal that. Okay. Then we'll switch to interacted with. And then this is where I need to fuck around. So this is breakable, making it none. I also need to do false does not equal item data set disappear. Right. False does not equal data set. Yeah. We'll do the same thing just in case it doesn't exist. And then we can do if disappear set to no, false, change image. Okay. If false equals item data set disappear, then do item, let's get the alt image equals item dot dataset dot interacted. Gonna be using this a lot now. If alt image exists. Wait, if alt and does not equal alt. I don't want to switch it with nothing. Then we'll take the item .src and switch it with the alt image. Ooh, that might not work. It's the background image. Style.background image equals that. Okay. Let's try that. Again, a lot of blind programming right there. Based off of just what I know about the code. We'll see if any of it pans out. But what you should see basically is when I refresh, if I interact with that plant, it should change to the broken version. Yeah, that's basically it. So here's the plant. Now if I refresh, start the game. If I punch you, break. Don't disappear. So here's the plant. I got a console error. No, I didn't. I don't think I reached it, actually. It's really hard to punch with my fist these days. Let's try up punch. Am I hitting it? I don't think it's working. Maybe I need to use background like that. Wait, what did I do? Oh, I just did background image. Let's try this, actually. Oh, shit. Yeah, let's try this value instead. Alright. Maybe that will make more sense. I don't think this is getting hit though, because I think you would have saw something change. But let's at least get it right. Since the style is the background. Oh, did I put no repeat? Yeah. Let's try it again. And it doesn't seem like it was actually interacted with because it didn't disappear. But this is a breakable item. Okay, here we go. Let's try again. No, nothing's happening. I think I'm definitely punching it. Yeah, I'm definitely hitting it. Yeah, I don't think I'm missing. I think it's just clipping like the corner of the image. Okay. So what is happening? We need to double check where it's breaking down, because obviously part of this is not working. So this is definitely working because this would remove it otherwise. But let's see if this is even getting hit. I don't think it is. Hey. And let's double check. Let's go up here. Could be. It's definitely not getting hit with any of this or any of this. So I just need to see the weapon interacting with it. And we will find out. In the console. Okay. It is working. Okay, good. So that means that something just fucking up. Let's try this again. So if that's getting hit, that means that this is definitely not happening. That means that this is definitely happening. Because value does exist, I think. Let's check this out. So what are we getting for this? It's not a sign, no. Is it draggable? No. So that's just for the mini game. And specifically the programming minigame. And then here we go. It's not going none. So I know it's not disappearing. Alright, well let's just see what's happening here. Maybe disappear is just coming up as the wrong false or something. Dum, dum, dum. By the way, any music you hear in the background of the stream, if you like it, ask me about it. They're all my bands, old recordings. So if any of them tickle your fancy, let me know. A lot of it's available online. Some of it's not. Some of it's just on my Patreon. Go. False. Okay. I'm guessing that means it's bool false. So maybe that will do it. Right? Because that's correct. Alright, let's try it. Oh, let's compile. Alright, go. Nothing. Noting man. I wonder where the background sound updating. It's definitely hitting it. I'm getting the right value. Yeah, that's weird. Hold up. Let's do this. Let's check this value. Because if that's true, then I want to know what this is. Maybe I'm spelling something wrong. Otherwise, why you no work? Because style background. Yeah, that should work. Let's check this too. For shits and or giggles. Alright, what we got? False, undefined, empty. Well, there you go. Undefined. Why? Interacted. Did I spell that wrong? Am I missing an R? You guys didn't tell me? No? Looks right. Interacted. Did I fuck up the template version of it though? Hold on. Undefined. Oh, interacted with. I'm so stupid. Why do I change the names like I'm gonna remember that? Well, first off, that's wrong. I can't do interacted with like that. So let's go back. Where's oh, here we go. Yeah, it has to be interacted. Yeah, damn it. Idiot. Okay, now it should work. First try. And then I'll give you some fireworks. How about that? Go! God damn it. What happened? Okay, we got false. We have the image name. And we have nothing. Oh. Hey, you might be missing an R somewhere or something. No. It seems like... I mean, maybe. Hold on. Maybe I'm misunderstanding what you're saying. So, this... I mean, the style background is not working. It's because it's coming from a style sheet. That makes sense, actually. But why wouldn't it hard code the background value inline? Should. I should be able to do that. Huh. Yeah, look at, I already have style values. I should be able to add background to that. No, don't worry about it. I'm not super offended. I'm mildly offended. Background, huh? Yeah, I mean, this is all good. The only problem now is setting the background value. What? I mean, can't. Is that a thing? That you can't set the background video? Yes, please. Up your game. Hold on. Can we set background style in JS? Style background. Yeah, I mean, it seems like you can. Like there's no reason. How come it's not working for me then? Do I need to add more shit? Oh, maybe this alt. No, this should be working now. So I know this is true. I mean, let's check at least. It just seems like it's not getting hit. Because it should be working. Wait, what? Didn't I compile you? Wait, what? Now it's not getting hit? What happened? Fuck. Oh. This is supposed to be string. God damn it. Okay, this is gonna work now. That was the problem. I think. Yeah, I was getting the right values, but I forgot to change it back to string. Hey, look at this shop. Oh my goodness. Can you believe this puzzle? This is an amazing puzzle. My wife did this puzzle. This is Miropelia. From the Miropelia of the Harmonian Chronicles book series written by Scott V. Adrian. Award-winning sci-fi. Orbem. Book 2. Miropelia. It's sponsored by me. Yeah. This is gonna work now. I keep getting distracted with my own ads. Go. No, it disappeared. Why? That's not what was supposed to happen. I'm guessing, yeah, that was my guess. It didn't disappear. It's just the image didn't load. It's kind of weird. I'm guessing because I overrode all the other shit, so I need to add all this other shit. How did they do that? Did they add a bunch of shit? I'm gonna steal this. I don't need that, but I need the fixed center. And I'm doing cover. So I'll just do cover, and that should work. I think that's why it's not working. Try again. Okay, here we go. Boop. Damn it. Still disappearing. No cover. Maybe fixed cover. I think the second one's position though. Yeah, whatever. Or maybe they're both position. I don't think you can do size. Here, let me do this. We'll add the size separately. Or I wonder if I could just do image now that it's working. Let's get rid of the shorthand though. Oh, do you need URL? Yeah, I think you need URL still for the image. All right, let's try it now. Here we go, plant. Show me broken. Fucker. A fucker. Why didn't you change? It doesn't like background image. Because if I had a background... Oh, shit. Image. Blue. That's not an image. Give me this. Wait. Copy. Let's just open a new tab. Gimme. Do you just add the image? No, see, it needs the URL. Oh, shit. Right? Yeah, there you go. Now it works. Okay, so I'm doing it right. Background image URL. Yeah. Okay, fine. Well, let's just go with this then. No repeat. Yeah, position, I don't even think I define. But let's also add item, style, background, size equals cover. Because it needs that. For some reason, when you update the inline style for background, it overrides all the background, like, additionals. Go. It worked! Let's go. Nope. Yeah. All right. Look at that. Look at that broken ass plant. That was me. I did that. Broken ass plant. Get out of here. Fucking broken ass shit. Alright, well, now that we have the actual action working, it's back. Smack! Dead. This is gonna be fun. I definitely dead like shadows, though. It makes no sense the way it lives its life right now. We need like little shadows behind its sad life. You've come back. I'm just smacking plants, man. I'm adding fucking some awesome alt states for items. Just want it to look a little realer while it sits there broken. Yeah, that's pretty good shadow. Oh my goodness. I thought nobody was gonna threaten me with a good time. Oh, well, everybody, I hate to do this, but fan favorite. And I lied, I don't hate to do this. Alright. Hey. Cheers, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Fantastic. You think your school password got reset? Oh, they figured it out. Like, why is somebody logging in from their home computer? Okay. I just want to see what it looks like when it's updated. Let's remove this, set a new one. Yeah, right. I know I have to update the non-interacted with one as well. Oh, you're supposed to do that? Just not with that account. Oh, interesting. Look. It stayed interacted. That's not right. Okay. That was weird. Why did it do that? Oh yeah, that's good. I like it. Though it is definitely like crooked. I should make it look level at least with the ground. There we go. That makes a little more sense. Okay, not a big deal. You always do your homework from school account? Oh, okay. Oh, your password's not working. Oh. I thought you were talking about the one that got you into the admin. Weird. Okay. So now we need to persist the break. So if I refresh the page, it should stay like this. And that's pretty much all I need to do. I don't want to do like another data point, but I do need to do the same thing we do when we remove all the broken items or all the collected items from the map on load. I need to also swap out all the interacted items. So that should be pretty simple actually. First off, I do not know why it's not persisting this one. It needs to persist. But I might need it to persist it with a separate list. Like interacted versus... Or maybe it just needs another flag inside the data. Let's see how this is working. So I'm interacting with the item, that's fine. But if it's breakable... and I remove it, something else has to be happening before that. Interesting. It doesn't appear that something is. So if I just make a regular breakable item, it's not persisting it right now. I used to, I thought, actually. I guess if it's not related to a mission, there's no reason to persist it. But these are like just things I want to break, you know, or interact with at least. Just for fun, you know. They don't do anything. You have to talk to your library teacher, yeah. Unusual activity. I don't doubt it. Okay. So in this case, I think you know, instead of doing the whole point animation thing that I did for when I collected the box, in this case, I think, I mean, shit, should I make it give you points? Every time you break something? Would that, like, be cool? Every time you break something or interact with it, it gives you, like, a point. You know, like, kind of makes you interact with the game more. I don't know. Maybe. Just do, like, 1 point plants everywhere. Here, let's see. Because in that case, all I'd have to do is add point as a value type. And then in value, do 1. And then technically, that should now give you 1 point when you break it. And then store the item. But when I refresh, it'll get removed. That's where I need to change the logic. So let's see if that works. So right now, if I break this, it should give me 1 point. It didn't. Let's double check that. Yeah, data value 1 point, data type point. Okay, this should have worked. Though I did only check that for collectibles. I didn't do that for breakables. Let's check this logic. Let's check collectibles. Here we go. Okay, see, I did this for collectibles, not for breakables. I need to do the same thing. Yeah, And see if the data types point. Yeah, let's do the same thing. We'll do this or that. Breakable. Because yeah, breakable things should be able to give you points too. Yeah, that should be it actually. It should just work now. Have you been messing with your flex keys at school yet? Did they get taken away? By the way, if you really want to flex on your friends, get the brand new flex key fucking sweater. It's warm. I like the color. I immediately got hamburger fucking grease all over it. So now it has like spots under the logo. I tried to wash it and shit. It just ruined it. It's a hard color to wear. Okay, let's just check if it worked. Come on, you can do it. Okay, ready? Oh my god. It's giving me so many points because I'm just touching it. But it's not being removed. Oh no. Okay. I need to add a class when I interact with it. Okay, first of all, actually. Oh, this is different than collectibles. Same logic, but you can't just touch it. You need to interact with it. So let me steal this for breakables and put it into the weapon interaction. Yeah, here we go. And we'll even put this down, y'all. We can actually put it with the interacted shit. Now that I think about it. Yeah, with this shit. I don't know. I guess I don't need to hide it down here. We can put it in here. You just had a burger a couple hours ago. Nice. Some of my goddamn investments. The markets have to be open. And then sometimes the computers or the people that are doing the sales, if the market's in a really bad place or like something's weird, they won't just sell it. They especially if you marked it as limit when you sold it. Did you mark it as limit or market? Because if you marked it the price that you're selling at as limit, that means you set the price that you want to sell it for. You just click sell. Then it might be at a limit. So it's possible that the stock went down below your limit and it never got back to that point that you had it at. So they won't sell it because it didn't hit the point that you wanted them to sell it at. So you have to change the setting to market, which will just sell it at whatever the market price is as soon as it's live. I don't know your system though that you're using. I use Charles Schwab. Used to be TD Ameritrade, but whatever, they got bought. Okay, so this is for breakable. Yeah, so if you set that amount, it could have gone under, and then they won't sell it. Like, they can't get that price. Okay, cool. This is the same thing, yeah. We'll do missions. I guess I don't need to do the mission part. That's already right here. So let's get rid of that, maybe. Yeah. And just store the item. And then add the points if needed. Yeah, let's try that out. And this is more if it doesn't have a mission already attached to it. Yeah. Okay, let's try it out. Oh no, it's gone now. And I have a lot of points. Alright, let's restart. Luckily it's at the beginning. What? I said restart, bitch. You have a tiny glass thing of Nutella? Ooh, that's exciting. Out of my way, bitch. Okay. 1 point. Persist. That gave us 4 points. I forgot. I need to set a class so that it will go away. So let's do and interacted with value dot class list dot contains. I said with you fuck. False equals, and then when we do this, I will immediately do value dot class list dot add interacted with. Yeah, you got the spiel. All right, let's check the DMs. DMs. That's glass. That little thing. How big is it? Looks small. Is there Nutella in it? Or is it like fake? Tiny? Needle? Looks small. Oh, okay. Just like a dollop. Alright, let's try again. Just make sure it only gives me 1 point, as I requested. Oh, shit. Excuse me, sir. Shrimp. And go. Nice. 1 point. Perfectos mundos. Oh, you got it from -5. Nice. Okay. Now we need to do the whole persisted thing. Where's the breakable? Remove shit. That would be no. Here we. Oh yeah, should remove item on load. So we have to do this. This. And false does not equal map item dot dataset dot disappear. Nice. Layout should do it. And now the item should not disappear. But we have to do another step to that. We need to actually check if it does have disappear as false. Switch it to an alt image if it exists. So if false equals. Oh, do we want to do that here actually? What is calling this? Yeah. Maybe we, yeah, see this is just doing the no point. Okay. Let's do it here actually. I don't want to do it in here. That's just part of the logic. Should remove. If. Then we'll do the whole map swap image shit. Swap interacted image with map item. We'll just make that a util function. And then disappear. Right here. Dot. Swap interacted image. That would be you. Swap interacted image equal item. Yeah, okay. Now let's make a little function. Swap interacted image. And that's it. Now that should work for both of them. Swap alt image for interacted items like breakables that don't disappear. Cool. Let's try it out. All right, off to bed. Nice having you around. Hey, Deck Dude. Welcome, my friend. Teen with 4.42 GPA sues after being rejected by... I would sue too. Were they white? White people not getting in any universities, man. At 4.42? Chump. Oh, no, not white? Whoa. Okay, well, that's an issue then. Interesting. Rejected. Do they not speak English? Alright, alright. This is probably fake, but let's check. Okay. Good. Plenty of information. I like it. Okay. What? Spare me max one image. Posted by Daily Mail. My wife constantly reads Daily Mail.
Actors.
A lot of it is
We can
bullshit.
make you believe we know what we're doing, when in fact, we do not.
If I saw this movie on a plane, I would still walk out. This trailer makes me want to sit.
This is over 1 minute, by the way. So I'm only going to watch it for a minute.
To watch this trailer, but I already want my money back. Coming to a theater near you, me is that a threat? They should have made Rachel CGI instead. Hard brown and the 7 Discord mods. The CGI looks much better when I turn my monitor off.
Mud brown.
Invites you and I must politely decline. I'm rooting for the poison apple. Why is Lord Farquaad playing Snow White? This movie should come with a disclaimer. No dwarfs were harmed, but your childhood might be.
But your childhood might be.
Seen something self-implode this hard since that Titan submarine.
That's fucked up.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. As a German, I claim cultural appropriation. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Snow White in the 7 CGI abomination. Making the dwarfs look like a PS1 hack rig was a bold choice. Rachel Sackler
Bold
looks
choice.
like a medieval scribe. Marvel's lost $237 million. Snow White, hold my beer. Disney used to make people
I don't know.
famous. Now it ends acting careers. Mirror, mirror on the wall, where the seats are empty in cinema hall. Mirror, mirror on the wall, what's the biggest Disney flop of all? Shut it.
Shut it. Yeah, honestly, I thought almost every single one of those comments when I saw the trailer. I was like, she's not even the fairest of them. Like, she's not even like Snow White. Ruby fucking red lips. They don't even put lipstick on. I know it's like PC to, talk about fucking the way people look, but it's like, it's fucking Snow White. Hey, FIFA Mobile. I am making a WordPress game engine so I can build my RPG video game. The Escape to Orbem. Escape. Based off of my sci-fi fantasy novel series, The Harmonian Chronicles, Orbem's Book 1. So this is me recreating the story in RPG video game style. But because my video game is in WordPress, I have to rebuild this whole thing. Or not rebuild, but I have to build it in WordPress because I'm a WordPress programmer. That's it. Was that Japanese? I turned them off. Yeah, I don't know why it was in Japanese. I don't usually have Japanese subtitles. Okay. Will this work, what I just did? I think it will. So now what should happen? On load, it should just show the alt image. Yep, I win. Let's go. Cool. So now I can interact with items. I can break them or collect them and make them not disappear. So let's try collecting maybe. I just want to try. Nah, I don't want to try. I don't need anything that's collectible right now, so it's not a big deal. What I was going to do before is like when you go to a chest and you collect from it, it just opens up and it just shows that it was collected. But this is good. This is great. So this is going to allow us to do the botanist office now. I'm going to put a bunch of plants in there and you can just break all of them for like 1 point each if you want to. So let's push the code up and start building out that portion. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Mud Brown and the 7 CGI abominations look like Hagrid from PS1. It's so good. Oh shit. So good. Yeah, I was very confused. Gal Gadot was the only, like, whoa. Great casting. Gonna make an amazing evil queen. I think cool, you know? And then what the fuck, Snow White? What the fuck? The CGI, everything. That looks I mean, they made Lion King and Mufasa like look like real fucking animals, you know what I mean? You can't, why would you make these weird claymation character? It doesn't make any sense. I hope they change it, honestly. After all the outcry, you know what I mean? What up, ND? Alright, let's make sure we update all the classes as well. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, I think we're good. I think this is all I need. I don't think I need admin CSS, right? No, I don't think so. Right. Go! Go forth, code. Do my bidding. So I'll create one plant in there, make sure it works and looks good. 2 books in the next 7 days. Orbem and Miropelia in the next 7 days. Better get on it, man. Those are like 350 pages each. Do it. I believe in you, though. Schwab. Nah. Other 2 books. There are no other books. We all know that. Okay. Why'd I get stuck there? So, now we need to add some plants to this office. So let's jump on in the admin. Hopefully it doesn't log me out. Good. We'll go to explore point. Oh, I don't have any explore points right now. Our first one's going to be a plant. For school you have to do it? Oh, okay. You have to read Orbem for school. That's cool. I didn't know it was part of the curriculum. That's good. That's good. You know? Good reading. Reading material. Set the foresight. Set the feature image. To... Oh, let's add the shadow on the normal plant as well. Oh, let's actually save this. This is a pretty good experiment. Interacted. Mirror, mirror on the wall. It's a part of the curriculum, yeah. That's what I thought. Good, good. Proper. Alright, let's make this a little higher. Okay, let's add a little bit of a shadow. Shadow underneath. Shadowing. I like adding my own shadows. Feels like they've been a lot more natural when I do it. especially from afar. We can get rid of some of the hardness too. I mean, we can add some more hardness. Whoa! A young genius and his father are taking legal action. Oh, you're just talking. I thought you were writing a story. Should I add more shadow because of the whole fucking plant shit? Maybe. Like where the plant is coming out. Does that look natural? Kinda. Nah, it's too much. Or not enough. It's possible it's not enough. Let's do bigger. We'll do like the whole thing. It's a lot of shadow. Maybe not. Maybe go a little tighter. Something like that. Nah, that's too much. We'll just leave a little shadow. It's not enough. I know. Young genius about to rejected by 16 universities by stellar grade. Google. Oh, he was hired by Google. So we're going Asian American with some of the nation's best universities, even 5 state schools rejected his application 2023. They noted had a 3.97 grade point average and a 4.42 weighted GPA. The fuck is a weighted GPA? I don't even know what that is. That's because I don't have a weighted GPA. Whatever that means. Yeah, right. Yeah, something like that. A little dissipation. A grade point average that considers the difficulty of a course in addition to the grades. Oh, okay. So if you take a bunch of like AP classes, they'll give you more weight to your GPA. That's why he can go over 4.0. Fuck that. I wouldn't consider weighted GPA. I'd be like, that's just your fucking GPA, 3.97. You didn't even get a 4.0, you fucking loser. I bet it was PE or whatever that he didn't get an A. Nerd. Oh wait, that's interacted. I want regular plant. Yes. Fucking nerds. Can't do sports. Nerd. I'll have you know that I had a very normal ass GPA. 3.82. I had a 3.82 GPA. And I took the SATs before they changed to the 2100 score. They were still the 1600 score. I got a 1440. Pretty average. But I did it. Yeah, now, and they actually gave us the option to take the new SATs, but I was like, I don't even know what that means, so I'm just going to take the old one. A lot of my friends took the new one. And they got pretty good scores. Oh, what am I doing? I forgot. I'm like uploading shit as if it doesn't, I don't have an image upload field already. Like a freak. Oh, I don't have it here yet. What happened? Oh, wait. Let me publish this. You're aiming to get a 99,100,581. Yeah. Cool, good luck. What deck, dude? I'm gonna guess. I don't know. Why has... I'm in a... Yeah, explore point. Why has nothing... loaded? Where are my new fields? Oh shit, I didn't push the metabox stuff, did I? Yeah, dumb. I didn't push the metabox code. You were up till 3 AM last night making your dad a birthday card. What? Why so late? The hell's this card? Carved out of gold? Smelted. Oh yeah, here we go. Meta box. You. How did I miss that? I did the meta box class. Oh, that's why I did the class. I just didn't do the update. Your lovely financial burden. Correct. I woke up at 4 a.m. because the dogs, fuck, I don't know, made me. Oh no, I think it's because I was snoring and my wife kicked me out of bed. I think that's why I woke up at 4. And then I slept another couple hours on the couch. Very common. Depending on what time I go to bed, sometimes I can't go to my own bed because I don't want to wake everybody up. When you have 4 dogs sleeping on the bed, it's a touchy situation. There we go. You. Thank you. Should disappear? No. No thank you. And we'll make this breakable. We'll give you 1 point for it. And now we need to position this shit. And then you got through school and then you slept from 2 to 8 p.m. That's not healthy. That's your circadian rhythm right there. You just fucking sleep 6 hours in the middle of the day. So where am I? I am... No. Where am I? I'm here. My weapon doesn't exist, but it's right here. So... let's do 284930, whatever. Let's do 2840, 3080. 2840, 3080. And we'll do 100 by 100. That actually was a really good size. And it should look good now. Like before. It's not here. Where are you, plant? Wait, so we got plant. Did everything save properly? Let's try again. We got plant with a plant. Breakable. Interacted, no, minigame, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it looks good. Oh, did I set it as value type? Point. I forgot these are fucking taxonomies. Nope, still not here. Let's check where it is. So we got this. The fuck? WebP, PNG? That's weird. Okay, it is here. Oh, it's just outside of the map or what? No, yeah, image looks good. 100 by 100. Great. I think it just needs to go more. Where you at, buddy? I just put the wrong number. Oh, shit. I just gave myself 1 point. God damn it. I think I did it backwards. I keep doing that. Hold on. Well, let's at least put it in the right spot. Ooh, good song. Ooh, that looks good up against the wall, though. I like it. Okay, so 2901 is left. 2901 is left. 2901 is left. 2591. 2591. I promise after I finish this demo, I am going to make a placement logic so I can just drag and drop and I don't have to add coordinates manually like this. I will do a lot of that work once the demo's done. But, because I'm not building all of Orbem like this. The entire fucking world. Ooh, look. Looks good. Wait, what? Uh-oh. Okay. I must have phased through because of the plant. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I don't like, per se, that I don't have a weapon and I still hit it. So I need to add a weapon so that I can actually interact with shit. But let's restart and just see what it looks like when I come to the game. What the fuck just happened? Is that where it takes you? Oh, I think I hard-coded explore as the leave game link. I have to figure that one out. Yeah. Apparently I did that for the new game as well. Oh no. I'm dumb. I should just add a redirect, but whatever. Start. Okay. We are in Foresight. There's my office. Poor office. Here is the botanist's office. She has a very nice plant in her office. Yeah, it's nice. Scale is kind of small, but oh, shit. I broke it. And I got a point. That was kind of weird though, because it's a breakable item. It shouldn't let me just run into it. Yeah, it's breakable. Okay. I know. You broke the plant. You fired. Let me see here, actually. Why does that happen? It's probably because I added some collectible logic to it, but... Swap image. New. Interacted. Yeah, swap interacted. So... Yes. So this is on page load. This is on page load. So that's the other one I want. Alright, Dactyl, I'll see you around. You're fired. Interacted with item. So I think the problem is it's treating this like a collectible. It shouldn't, though. Breakable equals true. And disappear doesn't equal false. Yeah, well, I want you to be able to interact with it both ways. But in this case, this is for removing. This is for not. So that's the logic there. But this is within the logic for weapon. So my only guess is that weapon is actually outside of my body. It's outside my body. So that's why it's fucking up. Where is my weapon? Okay, yeah, like my weapon is like up there. Okay, okay. Got it. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So technically the weapon did touch it, so that's why. Okay. That's fine, we just have to fix weapons. Cool. I think we're good. And now if I refresh, because I wanted to finish this level later, it's still broken. Fantastique. Cool, guys. Well, that's where I'm going to leave it. It's Tuesday. Well, Wednesday now. And I guess we could do a little raid. Let's see who's on. But while I figure that out, I just want to say thanks for everybody who's jumped on today. Everybody on YouTube Shorts live feed, you guys are awesome. Hope you can come say hi sometime. And make sure you subscribe and follow so you can see me work on this even more. And get an amazing WordPress game engine for you. I'm doing this all for you guys so that you can have a game engine on WordPress for yourself. I will be making this an open source plugin, so don't forget that. And yeah, pretty much we just need to keep chugging away on these levels, make sure that I'm getting these assets working. I still have plenty of assets to build, but I want to kind of build out this first area to test out all the functionality to make the game interesting. Signs, items, breakables, collectibles, talking to the boss here, who I'm going to put. I need to make assets for him as well, because I don't like his little guy anymore. And yeah, it's coming along, but still a long ways to go, so stay tuned. Corrosion. He only has one person. I think he might be leaving, so let's try to catch him. Yeah, let's try Corrosion. Usually I do jet him, but we'll leave him be for now. I feel like he's about, Corrosion's about to leave too, so it'll be funnier. But hey. Oh no, he's leaving right now. Get him!
Updates.
I think we got him.